My name is Robert Segundo, and I'm going to teach you how to make a very nice one out of a piece of paper, origami style like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put him to the side here and grab my square piece of paper. And what we're going to do is basically we're going to fold a kite base. And if you don't know what a kite base is, it's very simple. It's one of the simplest of origami bases, which is we're just going to fold our sheet diagonal like so. And we're going to fold it over inside like so. And there we go. There we go. We have a kite base. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take it and flip it over. Smooth it out again. And then we're just going to fold these diagonals back into the center again, like so. There we go. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this, we're going to fold this up until that point touches that point. Very scientific. Then we're going to take this and we're just going to fold it down just a little bit for the head. There we go. Now what we're going to do is we're going to fold this over. Now if you want to, I like to do this just for fun. It's like as you're folding it, just kind of hold this piece up and it'll kind of fold itself up. Just do that and give it a little tail. Now after you've done this, all you got to do is just kind of pull the neck up until it gets so high, and just kind of play with him a little bit, and then pull his head up some. There you go. You have a nice pair of swans now. So there you go. Play around with it, have fun, and enjoy.